8 brutally honest reasons your company needs an AdWords agency. As a small business owner with limited budgets, tackling PPC advertising on your own might be something you're considering. As company owners ourselves, we understand. Managing costs and protecting your bottom line is always at the forefront of any business decisions you make. However, dabbling with PPC advertising on Google AdWords platform is best left to a qualified AdWords agency if you want the best results. Pay-per-click advertising via AdWords can bring immense and immediate value to your small medium enterprise, SME, by helping your website get found quickly on Google. Search engine optimization is the other side of the coin, but it's a gradual process, and sometimes you need more immediate results, and this is where PPC comes in. But you need technical know-how to make PPC work. In the digital world, relatively little stays the same for long. And when it comes to managing your business and keeping ahead of Google's ever-changing algorithms, it can be difficult to keep up if you're not immersed in it. Does your in-house member of staff have Google Partner status? Do they have the latest knowledge? Our word of advice about going it alone would be simply don't. For your SME to succeed, your business, in AdWords, whoever's running your campaigns needs to be skilled at managing the platform. In many cases, it can cost you less to hire an AdWords agency than it would be to launch and run your own campaign. So here are 8 reasons why it's best to outsource an AdWords agency who knows their stuff. Number 1, keyword research is harder than it appears. Choosing the right keywords for your adverts is imperative to your campaign success. The wrong keywords can result in a poor return. An AdWords agency will have the necessary expertise to ensure the right keywords for your industry are used, resulting in a good return on your AdWords budget. Number 2, bad copy can cost you greatly. An AdWords agency has the expertise to perform competitor research. They know what to look for when it comes to analysing quality copy and studying your competitors so they can produce ads that they know will work. With PPC, every word counts, so you can't afford to mess up. An AdWords agency will know how to analyse data. PPC campaigns deliver back a lot of data, and to use this information effectively, you need to know what you're doing with it. You can maximise your campaign and improve ROI with it. Do you know how to track your sales and discover where they're coming from? AdWords agencies will be proficient in analysing which keywords and ads are most effective. Then, they'll put that data to use by tweaking things to improve conversion and ROI. Number 4, understanding PPC can be like learning a whole new language. If you're doubting this one, do this quick test. Do you understand the difference between impressions, views and hits? Do you know what retargeting is? Do you understand what CPM, CPC and CPA mean? Anyone can Google the definitions, but to really understand their significance takes time and experience. Number 5, configuring AdWords is complicated and can be confusing. A wrong setting can cost you when it comes to configuring AdWords, and to ensure the best exposure possible and a quality ROI, you have to consider many aspects such as geography, networks, budget, campaign levels. An AdWords agency will already have the necessary expertise to make sure this is done correctly. Number 6, your landing page needs to be relevant. Running successful PPC ads isn't quite as simple as paying up and watching your website traffic grow. Once you've got the traffic, it needs to convert. Ensuring your landing page is relevant will save you money on lost conversions, and PPC agencies will be able to test to see what works best for you. Number 7, experience counts. You can't put a price on experience. PPC management companies will have years of practical trial and error behind them, and all this knowledge can be applied to your campaign or campaigns. Plus, by the very nature of the business, AdWords agencies will have worked with clients across different industries. Learning gleaned from someone in a similar industry can be used to know exactly what will work for your own company's campaign. And number 8, does your company really have the resource to do PPC in-house? Staying abreast of Google's constant changes is a full-time job in itself, which is why PPC experts charge a fee for their services. Ask a small business owner, ask yourself, whether you can really dedicate the required time in order to achieve a successful campaign. What makes PPC an attractive marketing tool is the ability to deliver outstanding return on investment. But knowing how to do that requires in-depth knowledge which extends beyond just the advertising platform. You pay for every click, so you need to make sure you're getting the right people to click on the right ads. Not doing so results in lost leads and lost revenue. Do you really want to get that wrong?